What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a 2020 Lamborghini Urus. We are going to be doing trans tune, TCU tune, and it's already got catalyst downpipe, so of course we will give you guys a glorious exhaust clips that everybody wants. As always, we use auto tuner software, so I've got the ECU pulled already, hooked up to the pins, and we're going to start by doing a bench read so that we can modify the file, get this thing flashed, and bring a whole bunch of goodness.
I'm excited because I don't think we've ever had a Urus on the channel.
Now this is the first one that's been in the shop, and then of course right off the bat, in SPEEDhaus fashion, we are going to modify the crap out of it and make it fast. So it should be roughly almost 800 horsepower, give or take.
Pretty spicy.
Yeah, it'd be pretty spicy. Gains are going to be around 100 on the horsepower and probably 120, 130 on the torque.
It's not as simple as just OBD, flash.
So yes and no. I can do an OBD read on the car, but I also, on any ECU that we modify, I like to have the bench file as well, especially for backup purposes. So in this case, I will do both. Some cars you can, some you can't. TCU side, I read off the OBD, for sure. So we're connected with no errors, so it's going to read it out, and then we'll load it in the software and get it modded and reflash it. Saved on our files. I will point this out just because if you're watching this and you might be curious of like, okay, how do you guys pin this out and figure all that? Auto Tuner does a really good job at their software. If you go into your ECU, there's a couple things, but if you have everything selected, you're like, all right, I know this is the right ECU, but how do I pin it out, right? You can go over to instructions. So I'm in my ECU menu, so we have our ECU selected here. We can go into instructions, and it gives you step by step. So where the location is, what cables to use, because I have multiple different cables with Auto Tuner, and then most importantly, your pin layout. I've always really enjoyed that. I like their support on how they set that up for us. Yeah, so just a little tidbit that I wanted to add. All right, so we got our tune file all written and modified. So I've got it selected, and we're gonna begin uploading it to it. So I'll do the ECU tune first, plug this back in, then we'll use the OBD cable to flash the TCU side.
Are you keeping notes?
I'm taking notes. Mental. Totally.
So Will has the problem that his mom has the Audi version, and so he's trying to bully his mom into making it.
Absolutely. I send her videos of the downpipes, let her know that her car could sound like that, and she's, you know, we're working her in slowly. She's gonna come up here for an oil change and then end up with some downpipes in a tune.
What'd you do to my car?
Right. It was James.
See, you let James butter up the older customers.
She did really well between him and Rue.
Yeah, see?
Great.
TCU is done. Alright, so I was having some issues with our bench file, just like some weird communication crap. So basically we took that and created it into an OBD file and flashed it that way, and now we're going to try again.
Sweet. Ready for a first startup.
Loud. It's loud as fuck. It's still on throttle mode too, so it should open when I switch it.
Oh yeah.
We're just gonna do it.
We're just gonna do it.
We're just gonna do it. Just gonna bring it in for an oil change.
your perspective.
I think Trevor wants your reaction.
My reaction?
Yeah.
We'll get all three of us. I just see Will's mom
Right,
whipping
right.
around.
Like, I need to tune the Audi.
Yeah. For the sound alone, man.
For how loud it is outside,
Yeah.
inside it's really good.
It is. It's quiet. And it's only on pump right now. It's like 91.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, for a big old SUV, it's kind of retarded.
Yeah, it really is. It doesn't drive as big as it is either.
No, it feels good.
I don't want to say what we got up to there, but
I think I saw 50.
I saw 50 as well.
The tune feels solid though.
It does, smooth as can be. Transmission seems like it's shifting smooth. I'd say that's a success. Stretching my cheeks back on the acceleration.
Yeah. When are we getting a shop Urus?
Yeah.
The shop better start making a lot more money.
The Urus. The Yaurus.
Andrew, you missed the Urus.
I did. I did.
By like 10 seconds.
10.
Put it in park and you pulled it.